Hello guys, welcome to Canvas into Art channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be explaining how to draw mirror images. This type of questions mostly was asked previously for JEE, B.Arch or B.PLANNING aptitude examinations. Here, to answer this type of questions, we have in this tutorial we try to compile 4 different type of mirror images to answer this question. I tried here question as well as answers. Most of the questions given one side of the images as a questions, another side we have to answer. Here in the first box I have created a very simple mirror image drawing. In this kind of a question, one part of the drawing will be given and candidates answer other part of the image. And in the second box, I have tried to draw a simple image, a geometrical image or diagram. So which is completely, it's a completed drawing. And in this type of questions, you have to mirror the image, same type of image in the other box. And the third one, I try to give a question, little bit complicated questions. In this type of question, they'll be given some photo images or little complicated illustration kind of images will be given. Maybe light and shades also applied in this type of questions. Now here I only drew the questions now. So these all kind of aptitude examination questions. So in the fourth column I have tried to draw a pattern kind of a drawing, a geometrical drawing, which is consisted numbers and alphabetics letters. So how it can be mirrored, we will seeing it later in this video tutorial. So some of the design elements to be repeated as a mirror image. Mostly mirror images kind of symmetrical images. It will create a symmetrical harmony to the picture, and it will be most helpful to the B.Arch and B.PLANNING students. Not only B.Arch and B.PLANNING, also this type of questions expected to NATA, NIT, NID or NIFT, CEED examinations also. And the second column I have given a picture, so that is kind of a objective type of question. So that is also possible if you have don't know how to solve this kind of objective type of questions also will be helpful. Here, to make you understand practically, I have drew the picture, same picture in the first column in a piece of paper. I have a very small piece of mirror with me, and here when you show the mirror image, so on the mirror you can see the image which is on my left hand side. Okay, so that is a mirror image, not upside or down, so left to right, right to left. So now here to answer the question, the first one, in the question it was given one side of the butterfly, left side of the butterfly given. To answer the right side of the butterfly, you have to try to draw the same size and the detail given in the object. and try measure the distance between the object from the center line. Try to draw the same thing. Kind of a question we won't use mostly ruler and other things. Here I used only ruler for making the boxes only, which was given in the question itself. So here I tried to draw rough mirror image on the other side of the center line. Now here I am to make the drawing clear, I have faired the drawing with sketch pen. Here I have given a different color here to the right side of the mirror image from the center line to indicate this is the answer, and the blue one is the question. That's all. But in real you can't, the color will not change, the same color remaining. Okay. So the shading also, if it is darker portion, and you have to add the darker portion to the mirror image as well as. So now in the second column, so we are trying to answer the mirror image here. Here take the measurement and try find out how much distance between the corner lines, and the circle given at the corner of the triangle is coming on right side. So that is also important. So check for the detail element. Okay. So again I have given the fair outline drawing for the answer. So in the third column we are trying to draw the complicated image, which is a little complicated to B.Arch and B.PLANNING students, beginners. Organic shapes are a little bit complicated for designers mostly, but I have made it very simple here, and this type of questions also expected in this type of question. You can try mirroring the image as it is by measuring the distance from the center line. Try to draw as it is as much as possible. If here and there it is a little bit missed out also, don't worry, because it is organic images. So we are not robots, so it will be created like this only. So I tried as much as possible to make it as a mirror image. Now we are fair the question drawing now. On the other side we have to answer the same type of color. Here I used a sketch pen to make the drawing very clear. If you are asked to use sketch pen or other material, you can use it, or else you try use it whatever required, whatever asked in the question itself. So this video is help you how to draw this, how to attend this kind of a question only, not to use the same material or not to use the same answer. Okay, now here I am trying to shading with the pencil, 6B pencil. I am using 6B pencil to show you, if suppose they have given photograph images or realistic pictures to shade. In the question it was given with light and shade, so the shade, light and shade also repeated as a mirroring image in the same manner shown in the figure 1. So here left side become right side. So you could notice what is the difference between the light and shade, left and right side. I mean question and answer. Now, okay, so left side is the question and right side is the answer key. So in the fourth column we have drew some of the numbers and alphabets and some symbols there. So it was kind of a pattern. So we have given trying to draw the mirroring image there. So try measure the, I mean, try to find out where it is exactly located and mirror it. So this is the reason we have shown the practical example with a mirror. You try to check with some images with a mirror. So and here again to fare the drawing. So you could see the difference between the letters and the numbers in the mirror image. Okay. I hope you like this video tutorial very much. Share it to your friends, comment, like. I'm also taking Skype classes, crash courses on design aptitude examination. So if anyone wanted, contact me. Of course, we'll meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.